The Attorney General has sent his opinion on presidential reference for the removal of Justice AK Ganguly as head of West Bengal's Human Rights Commission. Sunil Prabhu joining us at this point for more. Sunil, what more are you hearing?
Well, the Attorney General has given his advice after the opinion was asked by the Law Ministry on the request of the Home Ministry, and he says it's a fit case for taking action. There's enough material evidence to proceed against Justice Ganguly. Now, of course, the ball goes back to the Home Ministry to prepare a cabinet note for a presidential reference, and only after the approval of the cabinet, because of a recent Supreme Court judgment, that norm will be followed, and then it will go to the President of India for his final approval to refer it to the Supreme Court to decide on this matter, because they have already said prima facie they find the substance of what has happened and those allegations made by the intern have certain merits.
All right, Sunil, thanks for joining us. Sunil earlier also spoke to former Speaker Somnath Chatterjee, who said he believes there is a travesty of justice taking place in the case of Justice Ganguly. He also goes on to say that the government's own law officers stand exposed.
Here there is a trial by media, trial by suspicion, and the extraordinary step has been taken by the Supreme Court of India, with all respect to the learned judges, of forming a sort of administrative committee to go into the matter with the senior-most judges, and without giving a copy of the affidavit as it appears to the learned judge concerned, to coming to even a prima facie conclusion, knowing that there may be a case where the matter may come before the Supreme Court under Section 23 of the relevant Act. Then if the attempt is made to send the matter to the same Supreme Court, according to me, with all respect and humility, I submit it to be a travesty of justice and deliberate denial of justice. A body of the senior-most judges have held something without giving a copy to the learned judge concerned. I still treat him as a learned judge because he has not yet been found guilty. And then when there is a provision that if somebody is guilty of an heinous offense like this, he should be convicted and punished before he can be removed. Now a procedure is being tried to be followed. And my humble submission, with all humility I may be, I believe here I am right. Look at the conduct of the Additional Solicitor General. She gets a copy of the affidavit which the judge complained against has not got. Where did she get it from? That the government has burnt its boats by allowing its law officers to openly espouse a particular cause. I am respectfully submitting for consideration of all. Will in India in future, is it sufficient to make allegations to hold somebody guilty?